Alright, so what I have here is pecan shells and the pecan fruit, and there's actually some pecans in there also. These are from Craig Wadley. He has a YouTube channel and Stupid Heater. Alright, where was I? So anywho, he wrote me a nice letter. I've been sitting on these for a while. He sent these to me a year or so ago, and I didn't really know what to do with them. But I think I am going to fill these with resin individually, go through and find the ones that look okay. So fill them with all different color resins. And then I'm going to use this piece of walnut. I'm going to do this kind of backwards. I'm going to give it a walnut rim and have the bowl with the resin instead of doing the resin rim like I normally do. So this is leftovers from a collab with Kim Tippin. I will put that over there in the corner if you all don't remember it when we did the we dyed the shavings. All right, let me try to figure out what I'm going to do here. As you can see, picking through the pecans to find ones that will hold it, and then something so that I can pour the resin in them so they don't fall over is gonna take me some time. So yeah, we'll get to that. Hopefully I had these all done. I keep finding some with pecans in them. Maybe I'll put those in there somewhere too. Okay, so I have roughly 140 in here, 12 by 12, but they're not all full. I'm missing some. The colors I used were on this go round: lime green from Cactus Choice, another Cactus Choice, plum crazy purple, all my Cactus Choice colors anyway. So blood red, the vibrant pink, and teal, and then I also used the Pearl-X dual blue green. Yeah. So I roughly did some, and this is total boat slow set. It's only 2 pumps, 3 pumps. I could do like 16 of them, so I figured I'd do 12. I'm hoping it makes 12. If it don't, oh well, we'll have another color in there somewhere, you know. So for right now, I'm only going to show you some of this because, you know, clearly I'm going to do more and it's going to take me way longer. Alright, you get the idea. I'll be back in a bit. Crooked. You just float it up or something. How am I going to fix that? That's interesting, huh? Alright, what do I do, guys? I kind of wanted this on there. Well, I suppose I can grind these off. Put that on. Somewhat on. Hot glue around that side of it, and then pour resin, I suppose, in here, and hopefully it fills it in. Let me oops, you guys can see. So anyways, let me grind that off there. Okay, so just in case we spring a leak through the hot glue, it's not all over my table saw, or my workbench, I mean. So, here we go. We'll see, eh? That's gonna be a problem. Alright, well, kinda expected that after grinding it down on the other side. So let me get this flattened off, and then I think with all the funky colors, I'm gonna do another pedestal bowl so I can get as much to look at as possible. So I still, you can see I haven't touched any of this, so I need to get that flat. So what I have right here is the glue. I have to get past the glue. And I'm not sure I'm going to get past the glue. Oh, alright, let me keep going. Oh, that's awful. That's just awful. Okay, so there's some stuff down in here. I don't know if you can see the discolor right here. And I think that's clear off of that waste block that I put in there. I'm hoping I can sand it out. It's starting to bounce off these pretty bad, so I'm going to try to sand the rest of it out, you know, because it's vibrating. And we're going to start from 80 grit and go on through the grits up to 800. So, you know what, I'll show you some and skip through the rest. Oh yeah, they're howling. I've decided to go with a resin coat on this. I have a lot of little pits and holes in it, and it's nothing. I don't know what I did wrong. I have no excuse. So my hope is that this fills in these holes, because they're all over it. I don't know if you can see them here. You can see them in there, in there, and there, and there. So they're little pinholes. I'm hoping that I can get these in, get them filled with the clear, and you don't notice them as well. That's the plan anyways. I'm going to run this at 50 RPM when I do run it. I'm not going to run it right at the moment. So we're going to paint this on, little paintbrush, 1-inch paintbrush, and it doesn't take a whole lot of this. Now I only mixed up 3 pumps, which might be too much, but we'll see how this goes. I don't I'm not holding my breath. How's that? Maybe it'll be okay, maybe it won't. I don't know. It's just you know, I'm trying to fix it. If it works, awesome. If not, then I don't know. But that is the plan, anywho. Alright, so we got 2 coats on. We got some little defects from some of the holes. I might not be able to get them all out without messing with this over and over and over again. It kind of gives it character. So I'm going to hopefully get this as the last coat. It's the 3rd coat. We're going to sand it, try to smooth it out as best as possible, and put another coat of resin on it, and let that sit up, get the logo in the bottom, and then we'll get over to the stickery board and look at it. So far it's kind of cool looking. Okay, so 2-to-1 medium set resin with my little paintbrush and 50 RPMs. Alright, so hopefully this is my last coat. Boneyard Wood Turning over there in the corner. Go check out Scott's channel. He's new. He's only got a few subscribers, so go check it out, and we'll get your sticker up on the board. Right on the board, right there. So we'll thank Craig for the pecan shells that were really kind of a pain in the butt to do. It kind of worked out. So anyways, I got my logo in the bottom. I thought teal would look better, and now that it's in there, I'm not so sure about it. But well, like some of them you can see through, like this blue one down here in the middle, and some of the yellow ones you can see through them. It didn't turn out too bad. It has a few pits in that. It's not perfect, and you know, it is what it is. But it was interesting to do. I was kind of going for that my stained glass look, but I tried every color I had pretty much. So 10 of them when I mixed them up at a time. So 10 colors, threw all my colors to like 300 separate little pours, you know. But anywho, that is it. It looks pretty cool. I was going to call it a nut bowl because it's got the pecan nut shells and then with the walnut rim. So that's what I was calling it. You know, so I'll put some pictures up at the end. Give her a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Go over and check out Craig. You know, because I put him up there in the beginning. Go over and check out Scott's channel, Boneyard Wood Turning. And I'll put that all at the end with the photos, and you all have a nice weekend. Bye.